Thinking about buying your first home in 2026? The market has changed. And if you're not ready strategically, emotionally, and financially, you could end up stuck. I'm Clyde Bryant, founder of Uptown, and welcome to my Canadian home buying channel. I started this channel to help Canadians make smarter, more confident decisions when it comes to buying real estate. Whether you're just starting to think about buying your first home or you're already far along into the process, this is the place for real talk, real strategy, and real results. Imagine this. You find your dream home, you make an offer, and it gets accepted. You're at home celebrating with your family and friends until the lender calls and says your mortgage has been declined. And why? Because you decided to change jobs 2 weeks before closing. One decision can cost you the home. And this, it happens more than you think, but let's make sure it doesn't happen to you. The 2026 housing market is shifting. Interest rates, affordability, competition, they're all changing. And first-time buyers need a new approach. I've helped dozens of Canadians navigate this process. And today, I'm giving you the playbook on how to get this right. Let's break down a few mistakes that first-time homebuyers make. Getting pre-approved does not mean that you could afford the home. Understand your monthly budget and live within your comfort zone. And lifestyle mishaps, they do happen, but only when you don't plan for the future. So make sure that you buy a home that matches your future needs. Don't try and do it all yourself. You need a lawyer, you need a realtor, and you most definitely need a mortgage broker. Hidden costs are a real thing. Closing fees, insurance, and potential renovations, they all add up. And don't skip the inspection. Buyers who skip the inspection to save time or win a bid could end up spending thousands on plumbing repairs or other surprises after they move in. Emotional buying, fear of missing out purchases, and rushed offers, they all lead to regret. So slow down and think long term. Here's your 2026 home buying playbook. Start with clarity. Know your numbers, the monthly payments, not just the total price. Use a checklist to track your progress and stay organized. Prioritize lifestyle and flexibility. Don't chase the hype. Buy the home that fits your life. Build your team early. You need a realtor, you need a lender, a lawyer, and definitely you need an inspector. Patience beats pressure. You don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it right for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone that you know that might be looking to buy their first home.